In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post carousel post via Zoho Social. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, build a multi-image carousel, write your caption, and either publish it right away or schedule it for later, all inside Zoho Social. First, open the Zoho Social website and sign in. On the sign in screen, choose the Google option if that's how your account is set up, then select your Google account to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on your Zoho Social dashboard where you manage posts across your connected profiles. From the dashboard, click New Post. Next, open the New Post dropdown and choose Customize Content. This view is designed specifically for tailoring posts by network, and importantly, it enables you to create carousels with up to 10 images. It's handy when you want to fine-tune copy or media for each platform while keeping everything in one place. Now choose the social profile you want to publish to, typically Instagram for carousels. Make sure the correct Instagram profile is selected so the post is sent to the right place. Click Attach Media, then select Media Library. This opens your library of approved assets so you can quickly grab the images you need. Select your first image, then your second, third, and fourth, and remember you can add up to 10 total. A useful tip here is to pick them in the exact order you want them to appear in the carousel. For Instagram, square or 4-5 vertical images usually look best, and keeping a consistent style helps your carousel feel cohesive. After selecting your images, click Attach to add them to the post. You should see the thumbnails appear, confirming they're attached. Take a moment to preview the sequence and make sure the visual story flows logically from the first image to the last. Next, type your caption. Keep it clear and direct, and consider front-loading the most important information so it shows before the description truncates. If you use hashtags, place them thoughtfully to keep the caption easy to read. You can also add line breaks for cleaner formatting. When your content is ready, configure your publishing options. You can post now if everything is final, or schedule the post for a specific date and time. Scheduling is great for hitting peak engagement hours without being online. Finally, click Post Now or use the Schedule button next to Save Draft to publish the carousel or lock in your future time slot. That's it, your carousel is ready to go live through Zoho Social.